everybody, my name is Nicholas. I'm the SEO and media specialist at WEBITMD. I'm going to share with you some very healthy habits to keep in mind. They can really save you a lot of time, a lot of headaches also. So habit number one is divide and subdivide your schedule. Take your daily schedule and divide it in, let's say, 2 or 3 main parts. When you set those 3 main frames of your time, subdivide them, especially taking into consideration the priority of your task. Number 2, set clear deadlines for yourself and even with your team members and your clients. A lot of people dread deadlines, but honestly they are a very useful way to manage your time. Yesterday is not a deadline. You can over deliver. See, when you have a specific deadline and you calculate how can you manage the time to reach that deadline, you even have the chance to add an extra, to do a second review of your work, whatever is necessary in your particular situation, and again maybe even over deliver, which of course your team members and your clients will really value. Third, communicate in an effective and clear way. What do I mean with this? Nowadays, we're not right next to our coworkers, so we rely on emails and written communication more often. You should be comprehensive. You should write as much as possible, but try to make it easy to read. Write short paragraph, no more than 2 sentences long, so that way the other person doesn't feel like overwhelmed when they receive your communication. Number 4, use project management tools in the proper way. Whether it is Asana, Basecamp, Trello, Monday, whatever you use, try to keep them clear and neat, not only because it feels and looks good, but for a very simple reason. You shouldn't trust your memory. What do I mean with this? Right now at the moment you know what you're working on, but maybe in an hour or 2 the next day you won't necessarily remember. Number 5, effective file naming. Especially nowadays as we are communicating more, or we are relying more into email and file sharing, like for example Google Docs. Having the proper file naming is fundamental, not only to sharing to others but also to find them ourselves. I hope you like this video. I hope you find it useful. You can find a more comprehensive article about this topic. It's placed in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and have a great rest of your day.